In this video, we'll go over Moonriver. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 900 XLM coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, Moonriver to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on August the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom, or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is Moonriver? Moonriver is an Ethereum-compatible, smart contract parachain on Kusama. It is intended to be a companion network to Moonbeam, where it will provide a permanently incentivized canary network. New code will ship to Moonriver first, where it can be tested and verified under real economic conditions. Once proven, the same code will ship to Moonbeam on Polkadot. It does this by providing a full EVM implementation, a Web3 compatible API, and bridges that connect Moonriver to existing Ethereum networks. This allows developers to deploy existing Solidity smart contracts and dApp frontends to Moonriver with minimal changes. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. As a decentralized smart contract platform, Moonriver requires a utility token to function. movr is central to the design of Moonriver and cannot be removed without sacrificing essential functionality. The Moonriver token uses include supporting the gas metering of smart contract execution, incentivizing collators and powering the mechanics around the creation of a decentralized node infrastructure on which the platform can run, facilitating the on-chain governance mechanism, including proposing referenda, electing council members, voting, etc., paying for network transaction fees. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $85 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.